How to download the Google Chrome browser on a PC or laptop. First, I will open a browser. Next, I will go to google.com. Type the keyword Chrome. I will open the Chrome homepage. Select Download Chrome. After downloading, I will left-click the Chrome setup file to start the installation. Select Yes. That's how I finish installing the Chrome browser on my PC or laptop. Now I can sign into my Google account to sync history across all devices. In this video, I won't sign in. I select Don't Sign In. I can set Chrome as the default browser. Select Set as Default. Select Set Default. Select Got It. Just like that, I have successfully downloaded the Google Chrome browser on my PC or laptop.